Hi there. Ever wanted to order professional grade supplements from Fullscript, but thought you needed a doctor's invitation? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how you can order through my link, without a practitioner, in just 3 simple steps. First, go to my invitation link, bit.ly/ToothWiz Vitamins. That's your direct pass into Fullscript without needing a practitioner account. You'll see the sign-up page where you just enter your details and create your account. Next, you can browse Fullscript's entire catalog, over 20,000 professional-grade supplements, vitamins, probiotics, digestive enzymes, magnesium, and immune support blends. These aren't random retail products. They're practitioner-only brands that meet higher standards for purity, potency, and safety. Once you've chosen your products, just add them to your cart and check out securely. Fullscript ships directly to your door, usually within a few days, and your supplements are stored properly to protect their quality. That's it. 3 simple steps. If you'd like to save 10% on your order, be sure to use my invitation link below this video, bit.ly/ToothWiz Vitamins. Fullscript is the easiest way to get trusted, professional-grade supplements delivered right to you.